Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing the fish pose. So we're going to start sitting down, put our legs straight in front of you. You're going to take your arms and bend them backwards, and you're going to support yourself on the floor. Then you're going to lift and arch your back and put your head all the way behind you so you can say hi to the person behind you. We're going to take a few deep breaths here. Did you ever have a pet fish? I used to have a lot of pet fish growing up. It was so fun to watch them swim in the bowl. We're almost done here. Let's take a few more deep breaths. All right, that's all for us today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.